When you create your own styles or even use styles that are provided, it's good to know that you're not stuck with them forever just the way they are. If there's a style that you like and you think it would be better maybe with one or two adjustments, well, you can just change those parts of the style so you don't have to recreate the whole thing with those changes. Let's give this a try. Now, we're going to be using the style we created in the previous lesson, so to follow along, you'll need to go back and create the style first if you haven't already. Now, if you prefer, you can edit one of the styles that's already available, but keep in mind, you'll be changing it for every document to come, the way we set this up. So let's start with a new document, just to see these changes. A new blank document, Office button, new, blank document selected, click Create. Let's type in a new title here, and we'll do Pastry Chef again, and hit Enter a couple of times. Okay, so we'll click in the title. We'll go to our dialog launcher here in the Styles group, and we'll click on Job Posting Title. So there it is. We've created this style, and sure enough, we add a new title and click the style. We're done. Now, what you haven't maybe noticed is that to the right of each of these styles is a little drop down, and when we click on it, it means we have a number of selections on the menu to choose from, including Modify. There it is. We can modify this style. So let's click Modify. The Modify Style dialog box opens up. There's our name and our style type and so on. But down below you see there is some formatting. So let's say we wanted our titles to be centered. We don't like it left aligned like that. We just come in here, make the change, and there's lots of changes we can make. And once we've got it looking the way we want, we could click OK, but keep in mind, if we did click OK right now, it would only be applied to this document because that's the default. We need to select new documents as well, will be based on this change in our template. So we click OK. There's our change. Let's create another new document. I'll go to the Office button and click New. This time we'll put in, for our new blank document, a new title. Let's do Cake Decorator. Hitting Enter a couple of times, but I'll click in my title. I'm going to go to the dialog launcher here for styles, and I'm going to click on Job Posting Title. Look at that. So there's my new style. It's affecting all of my new documents because of that radio button I chose. The only thing to discuss now is how to delete a style if you believe it's no longer needed. And it's really no problem because styles are based on other styles. We can revert back to the default while removing the new style. I'll show you what I mean. If you have to, click the Styles dialog launcher to show your quick styles here. And now we're going to go all the way down to our job posting, and we'll click the drop down next to that. So to remove this style, we can actually revert to where it originated, which is title. And if we click Revert to Title, we have a dialog that shows up, and we have to answer yes if we want to delete the job posting title from the document. So there's no delete button per se, but when you revert back to the original style that it was created from, you lose the one you created, in this case job posting title. So I click yes, it's gone, title is now selected, but I don't lose my formatting, which is nice. So you can't delete the styles that are Word defaults, by the way, just the ones you create. And if you're into saving time, you'll create a bunch.